Tucked away in the heart of Italy's picturesque Liguria region, La Spezia offers a captivating blend of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Imagine a place where time has been generous, bestowing upon it an enchanting legacy of stories, traditions, and architectural wonders. The tale of La Spezia starts not as a bustling port city, but as a humble fishing village, nestled in the embrace of a serene bay. It was during the Roman era that La Spezia began to come into its own. The Romans, recognizing the strategic potential of the port, laid the groundwork for the city's future prominence. Through the Middle Ages, La Spezia grappled with invasions, power struggles, and the changing tides of fortune. Yet it was never lost to obscurity. The city rose above its challenges, transforming adversity into resilience, and resilience into prosperity. But it was during World War II that La Spezia truly played a pivotal role in history. Its strategic position made it a prime target, and the city bore the brunt of many a battle. Yet, like a phoenix from the ashes, La Spezia emerged stronger, its spirit unbroken. The post-war years saw La Spezia reinventing itself once more, this time as a popular tourist destination, drawing visitors with its compelling blend of past and present. Today, the city is a vibrant tapestry of history and modernity, where ancient palaces stand shoulder to shoulder with contemporary art galleries, and historic piazzas hum with the energy of chic cafes and bustling markets. La Spezia's journey through time is not just a tale of survival, but of transformation. It's a story that speaks of a city that refused to fade into the annals of forgotten history, choosing instead to carve its own destiny. And so, La Spezia continues to captivate. Whether it's the allure of its past, the charm of its present, or the promise of its future, this city has a way of drawing you in, inviting you to become a part of its ongoing narrative. With its unique blend of past and present, La Spezia offers a compelling narrative that continues to captivate travelers from around the globe. As a popular stop for Mediterranean cruises, La Spezia's port serves as the perfect gateway to the city's myriad of attractions. The port itself is a bustling hub, teeming with a variety of facilities. Here you'll find an array of dining options, catering to a range of tastes, whether you're craving traditional Italian cuisine or a quick bite on the go. Shopping opportunities abound as well, with local boutiques offering unique souvenirs and high-end brands for the fashion-forward traveler. Amenities such as restrooms, currency exchange booths, and information centers are also readily available for your convenience. For those eager to explore the city, the port provides a number of convenient transport options. Whether you prefer the freedom of a taxi, the affordability of local buses, or the comfort of shuttle services, you'll find it easy to venture into La Spezia and beyond. With so much to see and do, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. From historic landmarks to natural wonders, La Spezia has something for everyone. Unearth the hidden treasures of this Italian gem with our top 5 unmissable attractions. First on our list is the awe-inspiring Castello di San Giorgio. Perched high above La Spezia, this medieval fortress offers panoramic views of the city and the surrounding sea. To get there, hop on the number 3 bus from the city centre. Don't forget to explore its fascinating museum, which houses artifacts from the Bronze Age to the Middle Ages. Tip: visit in the late afternoon to catch a breathtaking sunset over the city. Next, immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and intricate details of the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. This architectural masterpiece showcases the elegance of Italian Gothic Revival style. Located in the heart of La Spezia, it's easily accessible by foot or local bus. Remember to respect local customs when visiting. Shoulders and knees should be covered. The third must-see spot is the Technical Naval Museum, a tribute to Italy's maritime prowess. Explore the extensive collection of ship models, naval uniforms, and antique weapons. It's a short walk from the cruise port, making it a convenient stop for day trippers. If you're a naval history enthusiast, you'll appreciate the detailed exhibits spanning several centuries. Moving away from the city center, our fourth recommendation is the enchanting village of Porto Venere. Known for its picturesque harbor and pastel-colored houses, it's a perfect place to soak in the local culture. Reachable by a scenic boat ride from La Spezia, it's a trip you won't want to miss. Once there, make sure to visit the Church of St. Peter, an ancient sanctuary perched on a cliff overlooking the sea. Last, but certainly not least, visit the Cinque Terre National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a collection of 5 charming villages nestled along the rugged coastline. You can reach it by train from La Spezia's central station. The park is perfect for hiking, with trails offering stunning views of the Mediterranean. Don't forget to sample the local delicacy focaccia in one of the many quaint eateries. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie, La Spezia's diverse attractions ensure a truly memorable experience. Immerse yourself in La Spezia's vibrant local culture. As you delve into this charming Italian city, you'll discover a tapestry of customs and traditions that give La Spezia its unique character. From the warm greetings of buongiorno in the morning to the leisurely passeggiata in the evening, a stroll along the promenade, these rituals are deeply ingrained in the local lifestyle. You may also stumble upon an array of colorful festivals and events, each celebrating a different facet of La Spezia's rich heritage. Among these, the Feast of San Giuseppe in March stands out, where locals light bonfires and share traditional foods in honor of St. Joseph. Speaking of food, a voyage to La Spezia is incomplete without indulging in the region's cuisine. The city's coastal location blesses it with an abundance of seafood, featured prominently in many traditional Italian dishes. Savor the frutti di mare, a heavenly assortment of clams, mussels, and other seafood served over pasta. Or perhaps try the farinata, a delectable chickpea pancake, a specialty of Liguria. And let's not forget the focaccia alla genovese, a mouth-watering flatbread topped with olive oil and sea salt, perfect for a quick snack or a light lunch. For the carnivores, the testaroli, a type of pasta served with pesto and slices of local cured meats, is a must-try. Now, what's a meal without wine? La Spezia's local vineyards produce some of Italy's finest wines. From the aromatic whites of Vermentino to the robust reds of Sangiovese, each glass is a celebration of the region's viticulture. And for those with a sweet tooth, the canestrelli, buttery shortbread cookies dusted with powdered sugar, provide the perfect finale to a gastronomic adventure. From age-old traditions to mouth-watering delicacies, La Spezia offers a taste of Italy that is sure to delight. Experience La Spezia like a local with guided tours. There's something incomparable about exploring a new city through the eyes of someone who calls it home. Local tours offer you this unique perspective with a personalized touch that can truly elevate your travel experience. These local guides, filled with insider knowledge and a deep love for their city, are ready to show you the hidden gems and share stories that you won't find in any guidebook. Now, you might be wondering, can I book these tours independently from those offered by the cruise ship? The answer is a resounding yes. With a bit of research, you can find a multitude of local guides offering a variety of tours, from historical walks to food tasting experiences, all tailored to your interests. This not only gives you a more authentic experience, but can also save you money. For a truly immersive experience, nothing beats exploring La Spezia with those who know it best. As our tour of La Spezia comes to a close, we hope you're inspired to embark on your own Italian adventure. Remember, there's so much more to explore and discover in this charming city. The hidden alleyways, the smiling faces of the locals, the delightful aromas wafting from the small eateries. It's all waiting for you. Don't forget to dig deeper into the description below. There, you'll find invaluable resources to make your La Spezia adventure even more memorable. You'll find links on how to book local tours, peppered with our insider tips to save you money and time. We've also included links to our favorite travel guides, each one a treasure trove of information and inspiration. And of course, you can always continue your virtual travels with us by checking out the other amazing travel guides offered by Travel Day Trip Ideas. So, until our next journey together, happy travels.